Hey everybody, this is Lynda Cromar. Just wanted to share with you a quick little kind of tutorial. And I want to emphasize something that I think is really critical, and I see people missing the boat on this. And that is that if you are going to truly brand yourself, you need to be the same regardless of where you go in the internet. Now let's think about this just for a moment here. Here you're looking at my fan page. It has my name on it. Okay, so I'm going to click on my actual profile, and here you're seeing my profile. It has my name on it. Okay, so I'm going to run over here to, I don't want to close that, so I'm going to go over to my profile here. This is Better Networker, which is a networking forum-based group, and here you see that I have used my name again. And if you go over and look, I can click on any one of the other places where I am, and you're going to see my name. I need to change this picture, but you're going to see my name all over the internet. The very same name. Now, if you have a common name, which nobody, which a lot of people have used, then you're not going to be able to use your full name, but you could use your name and then marketing behind it, or something that lets them know a little bit about who you are. I do not recommend you say Lynda Cromar Amway, which a lot of people do, because you don't know. You might love Amway today, but you don't know if that's going to be what you're doing for the next 10 years. And I'm not putting Amway down, I'm just saying sometimes people do that, and you associate your name with a company, and then if they change or you change, then that is not a good thing. So you want to be Lynda Cromar Marketing and Training or something like that that is generic, not connected with a name of a company. For instance, if I go in and I type my own name, I will actually come up with a search that is my own stuff. And it is good that I happen to have enough of a unique name that nobody else actually has, and I don't know why this little girl's face came up, but for the most part, these are actually my own personal pictures. They are really me. And the first thing that always comes up, if you look, is the YouTube or the Facebook. So as you can see, this is one of my channels. I have more than one, and you can bring up just about all of my profiles. They're going to be the first thing that shows up, and as you can see, I use my name every single place where you find me. I do not use some generic name as far as like some other LLC name or something that nobody would recognize. You can see my name no matter where it is that you look. So let's go look at what is a no-no that somebody did. I just went to somebody's profile, and I'm sorry if you happen to be watching this. This is not to point and make you upset. I'm trying to remember what it was up here. Where are you? Oh, it was this one. Okay. So we have this person. His name is Bud here. And then when you go down to look at his YouTube, it's got Webcast Guru. And then if you come down here and go look at his Facebook, it is MB Fields. So what I'm saying to you is he's not branding across the internet as different as the same person, and he's using different names all the time. So he's missing the boat here on branding, because nobody's going to connect with him on who he is, because he did not brand across all of these different places with like I did with my name. And Bud would be a name. Very likely he would get away with being able to brand across all sorts of different social media platforms. It's very, very important to do that, because when you do that, look what happens. You find, and I can tell you that this goes on and on and on for 19,700 results. That's because I've been on the internet for over 5 years, and I've made a name for myself. Now, obviously, there are things that change. Like, for instance, it says I'm an Empower Network. I am no longer an Empower Network. But on the other hand, if you see changes, you can go in and update those things. It's easy to do. So I just wanted to recommend that you actually make sure that you have your name and a familiar picture. Even though not all these pictures are the very same pictures, it's enough the same that people can see that it's the same person. Because people will start to relate to you based on your pictures, your videos, and the name that you use. You know, if you're not going to use your personal name, at least use the very same LLC name, whatever it is that you're choosing to use, all across all of the platforms, especially Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google Plus, and that's the major ones right there, is to use the same name in those different places. Hope that helps.